Wacht. Do you like redheads? You know what they say about red-haired people? They are passionate. I don't know which kind of things. I don't know where you were thinking about. But it works. The printer works, and I got to level 18.2. It's a 20 millimeter cube or 20 millimeter cube. 20 millimeter cube. And so the height should also be 20. So I've got 5 layers to go because it is now 19. 4 minutes. Almost done. So Bruce and Minnie, eat this. This printer says to you, hold my beer. There's actually a a beer holder standing next to it, printed with the same filament from this one. No, my sound got out when you said that. Oh, by the way, which is also very nice, on Twitch you will get ads in between the live stream. Here on YouTube you don't get that. Oh wait, I can choose for it to turn on an ad or not. Create highlight video? No. I'm not going to burn the Mini. So, I didn't notice it. But next to my... Oh. Sorry, people. I'm just going to put an ad in. Who's seeing an ad now? So, did you see an ad or not? So I have several little tools here. One is insert an ad. I can also choose create highlight video. So I don't know what that means. Nope, nobody? Okay. Oh, maybe if the stream is over, I can put some ads in there where I want to have an ad. I don't know. So currently 5 people watching. Wow, this is amazing. So I do need to say the print is finished, and I also see some